This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. I hope you are doing fine at your end. So today we are going to learn character set of GW basic programming language. So first of all we will read the definition of it. Definition of character set is character set of a language defines all characters which are valid to use in programs written in that language. So how it is defined? Character means that whatever we input with the help of the keyboard is called character. Like it can be a numeric character or it can be a alphabet character. If we talk about viewers alphabet characters, we can enter with the help of keyboard. Then all the numeric characters consist of the numeric digits. Numeric characters consist of all the numeric digits, and if you see in your keyboard, then we can have 10 digits, right, starting from 0 till 9. So from 0 till 9 there are total 10 numeric characters. And when we talk about alphabetic characters, then we can have 26 characters available on the keyboard, starting from the letter A till letter Z. So there are total 26 characters, and there are all other characters also available, like the mathematical functions like addition, subtraction, multiplications, divisions. These are all characters, and some special keys characters are also available, like percentage sign, dollar sign, question mark, slash, forward slash, brackets, commas, punctuations. All these characters are called special characters. So it is very important to learn about the character set of a language, like all the characters which are valid to use in program written in that language. Like when we talk about GW basic programming language, then all the characters which are available on the keyboard and then can be used to write any specific program is called character set of that language, of that particular language. So the character set of a GW basic comprises of alphabets. We just talked about the alphabet characters. There are total 26 characters, and the others are numeric characters and some special characters. Some, not all special characters, some special characters we will talk about today in this video. So viewers, first we will discuss the alphabet characters. So the alphabet characters are defined as the alphabet include uppercase and lowercase letters. So when we talk about the alphabets, it all includes all uppercase and lowercase. When we talk about uppercase, all the capital 26 letters of English language, and when we talk about the lowercase, then all the small characters from A to Z, 26 characters are there. So the alphabets include upper and lowercase letters. And the second character set we're going to learn today is numeric characters. So it's very obvious from the name numeric that it consists of some numbers or digits. Numeric characters include digits. We just talked about that. Include digits from 0 to 9. So there are total 10 digits starting from the digit 0 till 9. It is called the numeric characters. And the third one is the GW basic characters include the following special characters. So it's a list of characters we're gonna write down over here, which consist of special characters. So the special characters are that can be used in GW basic programming language. First is the blank. It is also a character, but it cannot be seen. We can see, like now if I just pressing the cursor, I'm just actually pressing the right arrow key, and you can see that we cannot see any of the character like numeric or special or alphabets, but we can see blank spaces. So this is also a character which cannot be seen, but it has its own position. The second one is the equal to sign. This is called equal sign. It's a kind of special characters. Equal sign or assignment symbol. We will learn later on what does assignment symbol means in our next upcoming lectures, but here it is important to note that an equal to sign is, or assignment symbol is, a type of special character. The third one is the plus sign. It is called plus sign. You can call it sign or symbol, both have the same meaning. Or string. Concatenation. We will discuss later on what does concatenation means. It's a topic we need to learn about that. So the third one is minus sign. It is just used to perform some subtraction. So minus sign is also a type of special character. Next one is called asterisk. It's a very important character. Or multiplication symbol. And next one is slash or division symbol. So this slash is also used to perform division between two different values. The next one is exponential symbol. Exponential symbol, because it is also called caret or control key. This is used to perform some exponential or power. And the next one is left parenthesis bracket parenthesis and right parenthesis. These are all special character, list of characters we are discussing about. And the next one is percentage sign, percent or integer declaration. Next one is hash symbol. This is called number sign or double precision declaration. We will discuss later on what does double precision declarations means, but here we need to know names of it. And next one is the dollar sign, or it is called dollar sign or string declaration. We will discuss later on what does string declaration means. It is used to identify some characters or alphabets. Next one is exclamation point or single precision alliteration. The next one is this is called left bracket, and the next one is this is called right bracket. So it's very important to know name of all these special characters because they have their own special functionality, and each special character is used to perform some special function. The next one is comma, and the next one is this is called double quotation marks or string delimiter. So all the special characters have some specific particular names. And the next one is dot. It's also called period. It is also called period, dot, or decimal point. And the next one is this is called viewers single quotation mark, also called apostrophe. You should be familiar with all the typical specific names of all these characters, so you can see that each and every single character has more than one names, so we should be familiar of all these technical and specific names. This is called single quotation mark, apostrophe, or remark indicator. The next one is semicolon, or carriage return suppressor. So we'll discuss later on what does carriage return suppressor means. So viewers, we will go down and we'll write more characters. Like the next one is colon. It's a very important special character, or line statement delimiter. And the next one is and sign, very important. This is called ampersand. Its name is ampersand, or descriptor for hexadecimal and octal number conversion. So viewers, you have just noticed that each and every single character have more than one typical names, so we should be familiar of all these names. Next one is the question mark. The next one is less than symbol. The next one is greater than symbol. Next one is backslash. This is called backslash or integer division symbol. So we'll discuss later on what does integer division symbol, because when we use backslash for a division process between two different values, then it always returns the value of integer, so it doesn't give us the value of the decimal or fractional value. So we'll discuss it later on, but here we should know the meaning and the names of all these characters. The next one is the @ sign. This is called @sign. Very important to know. Next one is underscore. And viewers, backspace, it's a key available on the keyboard. It deletes last character typed. And the next one is ES. It's available on the keyboard as well. So it is used to erases. It actually erases the current line from the screen. In the next character is, when now only two characters are left, tab. It moves print position to next tab stop. Tab stops are every 8 columns. So it actually makes a space between of about 8 columns, and it is used to jump from one column after 8 columns. And the last one is the enter key. It's a very popular key available on the keyboard. It terminates input to a line and moves cursor to beginning. So what is cursor actually? The one you can see, the blinking position, is called the cursor. From here the cursor is used to indicate that we can write from here. So it's very important to note in the name of the cursor, the blinking this underline is called the cursor. From here it is used to indicate that we can start typing from such specific place. So enter terminates input to a line and moves cursor to beginning of the next line, or executes statement in direct mode. So that's all for today, viewers, and we have discussed a number of special characters. First of all, we discussed and learned the alphabets, all in upper and lowercase. A to Z characters are all characters, alphabet characters. The next one we just learned today were numeric characters from 0 to 9. There are total 10 digits are available, and in the end we discussed some GW basic special characters, which is called the character set. So we discussed character set of GW basic today, and that's all, and thanks for watching.